What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva, crypto babe. I'm back. How's everybody out there doing this evening? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we are back. I want to show you guys payment proof that digital marketing, these type of programs actually work. I know some of you may be new to my channel and have not seen my previous videos. Possibly you may have just started watching me in the crypto space or the DeFi space. Okay, but I'm a digital marketer, affiliate marketer. I've been for years, where I actually show people how to make money using digital marketing, okay, affiliate marketing, where you can get training guys on how to do this. All right, so these programs do work. They've been around for years. Before I got into affiliate marketing, or direct sales, if you will, I was in network marketing, the MLM, and most of you probably have been in those where you had to buy products, you had to be on auto ship, you had to stock products at home, try to sell them to people, have people go to meetings and get on Zooms, conference calls, before Zooms, conference calls, hotel meetings, house parties, all that type of stuff. Then I discovered direct sales, okay, where I make 100% commissions, okay, even if it was 80%, I don't have to build a team or any of that. One sale, instant commission any way I want, and I can do this over and over and over, just reselling these digital online courses. All people need to access the courses is a smart device and a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, I love this business model. It's peer-to-peer, member-to-member direct sales. You're able to receive commissions any way you want, whether it's debit card, credit card, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, cash, okay, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, okay, whatever your heart desires, you decide. There's no waiting on a company to pay you. You don't have to worry about pending payments, pending withdrawals, any of that. Once some person hits that buy now button, it's coded to you, boom, hits your bank account, and you decide how you want to get paid. So anyway, I love this business model, and I've been doing it for years. All right, so wanted to show you guys a payment proof. Okay, this stuff works, and then I'm going to show you the bonus that I'm going to give you. Of course, I'm going to be accessible. That is a plus. Okay, to have support. Don't know how many people I get contacting me about programs that they've joined people in, and they can't seem to reach out to them. Folks don't want to answer their questions. Folks just MIA. Okay, so with me, I am accessible here for the long haul. Once you sign up, give me a jingle. Let's talk about it. Okay, I want to make sure you're successful. All right, so I'm going to show you that, and then you can get signed up, guys. This is instant set up. There's no waiting for a website to be built, any of that stuff. Once you make your payment, I'll be notified. I will go to my smart device, and I have to touch a button to say that you paid me. Once I do that, you're going to get access to the system, and then you can start promoting it as well. All right, and then we'll have a little chat so I can make sure you get onboarding correctly. All right, guys, so let me show you a payment proof from a customer, well, a business partner. Okay, that's getting started. They've gotten started with me in this program. All right, let's get into it. Check it out. All right, first and foremost, I want to show you, you guys are familiar with this company, right, called PayPal, right? They sent me an email. You've got money. Come from PayPal, right, to my business account. And I'm going to cover up this person's name. They have a business as well, an LLC, but I'm going to cover it up for privacy protection. But let me show you. Hang on. All right, right here, $500 payment via PayPal for digital marketing courses, reselling the courses, guys. You can do this, just promoting. People want to learn how to make money online. Okay, so they are purchasing these courses. All right, so that's another payment proof. You can go check this out, this particular program, at www.beabosslady.info. All right, guys. Now let me show you a bonus that I'm going to give out. Hang on. Okay, now this is a way to get people that have raised their hand and said, I'm interested in making money online. What we call traffic. Okay, it even says it right here. Quality, unique traffic. Traffic is visitors, eyeballs, right? Now, that particular person that signed up with me just happened to been on my email list, that type of thing. But this is how we do it, though. Okay, we get people over to our website. So for everybody that's gonna get started, right, this is what I'm gonna do. If you start, let me show you. Hang on one second. All right, everybody that gets started, G500, G1000 or G2000. Let me show you the bonus. Okay, the G500, right? If you come in and purchase that G500, I'm going to purchase this package for you, which is going to send you 500 visitors. Okay, this is not a guarantee of sales, guys. Don't say, oh, I guarantee you sales. This is traffic. Let's be clear. That means I can't guarantee you sales, but I'm guaranteeing you the visitors. Okay, all right. So 500 visitors is going to come over to your website. Okay, if you purchase the these messages, if you purchase the G1000 package, I'm going to purchase this 1000 click package for you. Okay, that's 1,000 visitors. And remember, G1000, that means you're going to be able to make, I'm not saying a guarantee of sales, I'm saying whenever your sales people sign up and say somebody purchase that $1,000 package, you're going to make $1,000, guys. All right, so think about what this opportunity is going to provide. Number one, value, training. You got me, one-on-one support. I'm going to kickstart it off for you without you coming out of your pocket. You just purchased the training. So 1,000 visitors. Okay, if you come in at the G1000, if you come in at the G2000, I'm going to purchase the 2,500 traffic package. All right, guys. So this is for my serious people, my action takers. Okay, come in at the 500, the 1,000, or the 2,000, and this is what I'm going to provide. All right, and then of course this resource, so that you going forward down the road can at your leisure purchase more traffic. The more traffic, it's a numbers game. That's what this is all about. The more people that look at your opportunity, the greater chances of you getting sales. Now, you're going to need to get this marketing system, or a marketing system. We're not just going to send traffic to a sales page. We need a system that's going to capture the name, the email, okay, at least the email. So we have a system that's going to follow up with those prospects and send emails out automatically on your behalf to keep sending them to the sales page for the next couple weeks. It's going to send what we call a drip, okay, out to them. Maybe one day, day one, and then 2 or 3 days later, another email is going to go to them, okay? That's how this works. All right, guys. Now, for this promo, you need to call me, get your questions answered, okay? You don't need to call the call center in this one. Call me directly so that we can have a conversation. All right, guys. So that is the promo bonus that I'm going to provide for my action takers, so that you guys can get off to a great start, what I like to call a fast bonus start. Okay, this can get you off to a great start. You've got to have visitors, bottom line. Okay, it takes money to make money. You got to pay for advertising. All right, so this is what I do. I do free advertising and I do paid advertising. So let me show you one of the pages I'm using. If you go to www.beabosslady.info, you will see my sales funnel. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what it would look like when you go to www.beabosslady.info. Okay, put in your name, email, phone number. All right, and then you're going to go to the presentation. Check it out. Jot down your questions. Give me a call. My info is in the description. All right, so that I can get all your calls answered. I can walk you through onboarding, make sure we get you set up with your payment processors of choice. How do you want to get paid? Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, credit card, debit card, however that is, Bitcoin, crypto. All right, but we're going to send traffic to a page such as this. Okay, it's got to be a marketing system. We're not just going to send them to a sales page with a video on it. We must capture the information. All right, guys. So this is how I'm able to do the things that I do for us to cash flow, and we get these sales coming in. All right, guys. Digital marketing, peer-to-peer, direct sales. All right. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, definitely go to www.beabosslady.info. Look forward to partnering with you guys. All right, thanks so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. On your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.